This is question number 6 of our linear systems review. In this case, a system of linear inequalities. And we want to graph that system of linear inequalities. 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 8. And 2x plus 8y is less than negative 8. So that first one. 3x minus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Let's solve for y there by first subtracting 3x from both sides. These cancel. Negative 4y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 8. And then divide by negative 4 from both sides. These negative 4's cancel. We get y is less than or equal to, since we're dividing by a negative number, positive 3/4 x minus 2. So our y-intercept when we put in 0 for x is 0, negative 2. And we go up 3 and to the right 4. So our next point, which that is at 4, 1. And then we have a solid line because of the or equal to in this inequality. So that would look like this about. Presuming my line was straighter, of course. And the second one, I'll use a different color for that one. Now do it on the right side here. 2x plus 8y is less than negative 8. Again, we could solve this for y. Subtract 2x from both sides. These cancel. We have 8y is less than negative 2x minus 8. And then divide by 8 from both sides. So this inequality is y is less than negative 1/4 x minus 1. So this one has a y-intercept when we put in 0 for x of 0, negative 1. And then it goes down 1 and to the right 4. So that would be right here. That point is negative as 4, negative 2. So that line, it needs to be dashed because there's no or equal to in this. So that line will look something like this. All right. So from these, we want to shade below the line I just drew. And we want to shade below this black line. So the location where both of those meet is, let me not use the highlighter for this. This area down here. That orange shading there is where the two inequalities, the half planes, share. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.